third terror attack in the Jammu region in the last 3 days, targeting civilians, targeting the forces on the ground that have been deployed, changing strategy from the Kashmir Valley now to the Jammu region. The terrorist member attacked a bus full of Hindu pilgrims in Jammu's Riyasi, 9 of them dead, including a child. 2 more attacks have taken place within a span of hours yesterday evening. A suspected Pakistani terrorist has been neutralized by the armed forces. And this was, remember, that when these terrorists attacked a village, attacked innocent civilians of the village near the international border in Kotwa, Jammu and Kashmir. There has been injuries of the civilians also reported. But then after that, then there was a third terror attack. After targeting a village in Kotwa, then in Doda, a temporary Indian Army operating base, which is called TOB in Doda, have also been targeted. While we are told here, the terrorists have escaped while there was a gunfire on the latest on that. We have a report that has been filed by India Today's Sunil G. Bhatt from that location. All of these are deferred visuals, earlier visuals on your screen. Let's take a look at Sunil G. Bhatt's report.
Right now we are standing in Hiranagar area of Kathua district of Jammu and Kashmir. Last evening 2 terrorists were spotted here by the locals. These 2 terrorists firstly demanded water from many locals. When the locals got suspicious, they refused to provide them water, and then suddenly these terrorists opened fire. First they fired in the air and then they fired at some locals. One of the residents of this village got injured. He was immediately rushed to the hospital, but the locals informed the police and the other security agencies, and soon there was massive deployment of security forces here. The security forces spotted the terrorists, and one of those terrorists was shot dead on the spot. One terrorist was successfully neutralized by the security forces. However, the second terrorist managed to flee from the spot, and after that an intense search operation was launched across the length and breadth of this district as well as of this village. Even right now, massive search operation is on, and the priority for the security forces is to neutralize the second terrorist as well. So we are getting you this report from ground zero here in Kathua district. With video journalist Iraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Hiranagar in Kathua district of Jammu and Kashmir for India Today.
The strategy is very clear. Target specifically Hindus in Jammu region, because Jammu region, unlike Kashmir, is a Hindu majority region with a diverse mixed population. And it has been a comparatively peaceful region. There hasn't been communal tensions or the kind of terrorism we have seen, because people of Jammu had managed to resist it. But now it appears terrorists, looking at the strength of how there is aim to keep a peaceful Jammu and Kashmir, want to now make Jammu also into a terror-infested region. Okay, now Sunil G. Bhatt is joining me on the phone line this morning. We are not going to release the location of where my colleague is right now. But Sunil, tell me what happened in Kathua, because it sent shivers. It was because I was also flooded with messages and calls in Kathua, which is a busy, restive, innocent villagers living there. What unfolded? What is police telling you? And then what happened at the TOB, the Indian Army temporary operating base?
Well, Pooja, late last evening at around 8 p.m., the locals in a village in Kathua district of Jammu and Kashmir spotted 2 suspects, and these 2 suspects demanded water from the villagers. When they got suspicious, they refused to provide them water, and suddenly these 2 suspects, later on emerged that they were terrorists, and they fired in the air first, and then they also opened fire at the villagers. One of the villagers got injured. He was moved to the hospital, but the alert villagers informed the security forces. Soon, within minutes, teams from the Jammu and Kashmir Police Special Operations Group, as well as from the Indian Army and CRPF, reached the spot, and one of the terrorists was neutralized on spot. There was one more terrorist. He managed to flee, and after that an intense search operation was launched by the Army, by Jammu and Kashmir Police and CRPF, and they are working in close coordination. The search operation is still on. The security forces are scanning each and every corner of this village, and the priority is to neutralize the second terrorist as well. But even while this, a search operation was going on, another news came that there was one more terror-related incident that took place, this time in Doda district of Jammu region, and it was And it's after a long time, Pooja, that such a terror attack has taken place in Doda district. This district was also once terror, infested.
Correct.
But
you're right.
So once again, an army post was targeted in Doda district, and there was an encounter that took place. 2 army jawans were injured in Doda, and the search operation is still on there. Operation is on, but it's a matter of huge concern given the fact that Sri Amarnath Yatra is going to begin from June 29th this month. And from today, thousands of Kashmiri Pandits are going to, visit the valley for the annual Mata Kheer Bhavani Mela. So that's why security has been tightened across the length and breadth of Jammu and Kashmir, and high alert has been sounded.
The depravity, Sunil, the depravity to target innocent people, pilgrims, women and children just reflects the sort of frustration these terrorists are feeling right now. Please stay on with me. Let's listen in to the Additional Director General of Police, Jammu and Kashmir, Anand Jain, about what he had to say about the situation in the Jammu region.
एक टेररिस्ट मारा गया है और जो दूसरा आतंकवादी है वो इस इलाके में छिपे होने की उसकी खबर है और अभी सर्च ऑपरेशन चल रही है। अनकन्फर्म्ड रूमर्स इस इलाके में काफ़ी चल रही है कि काफ़ी लोग आहत हुए हैं। 3 उसमें जो सिविलियंस हैं उनकी मृत्यु भी हुई है और बहुत सारे लोग इंजर्ड हैं, लेकिन इसमें सिर्फ एक सिविलियन की इंजरी की हमें सूचना मिली है और उन सिविलियन को हमने सेफली इवैक्यूएट कर लिया है। इसके अलावा जो अनकन्फर्म्ड रूमर्स हैं इसकी रिगार्डिंग किसी की मृत्यु होने की, किसी की हॉस्टेज होने की अनकन्फर्म्ड रूमर्स हैं, तो लिहाजा मैं ये भी कहना चाहूँगा कि इन रूमर्स पे ना जाए और हम इसका पहले कंफर्मेशन देंगे।
So that's an important point the ADGB is making. Remember, on social media there appears to be a lot of rumor mongering that is being done as well. Go by official sources, and that is what here the ADGB has also mentioned. But there were villagers in Kathuwa where these terrorists, armed terrorists of course, knocked on the doors and asked for water. That is what Sunil has told us, what police informed him about. Asked for water, but alert Jammu villagers realized and got suspicious. They realized they are not local men and they slammed the door shut on them. The reason was because in the garb of asking for water, there could have been a forced entry and then the attack. And because of this, the terrorists panicked, started to fire. That led to an injury of a civilian. Sunil ji is now joining me on the latest on that. Sunil, because it is right now a heightened security zone, like you rightly mentioned, Amarnath Yatra is beginning. Thousands and lakhs of devotees go, and plus for Jammu and Kashmir specifically, you and I know, Kashmiri Pandits, thousands in number, are arriving in J&K to visit their historical land, and specifically for the Kheer Bhavani Mela. At this point, we have an update coming in with the 3rd terror attack in Jammu. Sunil, what is the security status like? Because there has to be a unity here with people, with government, with security review that will have to be put in place. Many are asking what is the security, what is the government action plan now?
Absolutely, Pooja. The events and the terror incidents that have taken place in last 2 years, and particularly in the recent months in Jammu region, definitely call for a thorough security review in Jammu region. That is why, security agencies are trying to formulate a new strategy as far as combating terrorism in Jammu region is concerned. But unfortunately, on most occasions, when these terror attacks have taken place there in Jammu region, the terrorists have managed to flee. And our sources are telling us that there are about 20 to 30, terrorists hiding in the upper reaches of Rajouri district, Poonch district. And most of these terrorists are hardcore Pakistani terrorists, highly trained, and they are equipped with some of the most modern weapons. And that is a cause of huge worry. And there are natural caves there, and those caves are used as hideouts by the terrorists. So definitely, terrain is a major challenge as far as South of Pir Panjal region is concerned. But this attack, Pooja, that took place in Kathuwa, because Kathuwa, most of the Kathuwa district is plain, but there are hilly belts. There is hilly belt in Kathuwa also, like Bani, Basoli. So, as per police, the 2 terrorists that were spotted yesterday in Hiranagar, these 2 terrorists seem to be, freshly infiltrated.
And the bullets recovered from Riyasi show that these are, of course, high-end ammunition and these are trained terrorists. But the fact remains, let's also remember, it is important to mention this. These are, of course, Pakistan-sponsored, Pakistan-sent terrorists. But who are the overground workers providing logistics and shelter to these terrorists? That's also what the security agencies will have to look at. But people of Jammu will be united and strong in this, and they will not terrorism let flourish in the Jammu region.